Namaste, I'm Shahid Khan. Welcome to Yoga Simplified. Today I'll be explaining Parsvakonasana. First, stand in Tadasana. Join your palms, bend your knees, jump, take your legs apart. Again, we are always working with that same distance in the whole series of standing postures. Turn your right foot in, take your left foot out, center your hips, shoulders relaxed, stretch your arms away from each other. First, we'll be doing Virabhadrasana. So we'll come down, Virabhadrasana 2, stretching the spine. You need to take your armpit close to your knee. And then take your arm down. Inhale. Exhale. Take your arm over your head. Control that your buttocks are not moving back. Control that you have even weight on both your feet. Actively use your toes. Hold it for 10 breaths. Inhale. Come up and change. Always center your hips first. Even weight on both your feet. One stretch from your heel till your fingers. Keep on stretching. Inhale up and together. Once you're in Tadasana, inhale, exhale. The goal of Yoga Simplified series is to keep the teaching very simple and short. So you can watch it quickly over and over again just to adjust yourself and come in your daily yoga practice. Later on, I'll be creating a new series for more advanced practice. If you have any questions about Parsvakonasana, please write them down and I'll answer them. Thank you.